Hey, come on, we're gonna touch him together. You go first though. Go, babe. See, if you keep, come on, we both keep walking. Hold on, let me get a fishing pole. I'll be gonna whack the shit out of his head. Hold up, son, don't do shit right now. Son. What you need? Alright. Let's go, B. Yeah, you know whatever you want. I know. Trust me. Oh, this motherfucker like, hey. Babe, no, he ready to jump in, dog. That's all he was finna do.
Okay.
Come on. The two of us. Come on, we both finna get up here, babe. Hold up. Hold it, babe. Eat his ass. Got it. I think he's down there. Wait. He's still hanging over there. I know, see? I'm good. Look, this is some unsafe ass shit. Let's see if we can find him. Do you see him? Hey, get out.